Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Wollensak 8075. This is one of the highest end Wollensaks out there, and these are really notorious for the motors going bad. They'll either start slowing down after several minutes, or they just won't have enough torque altogether to pull that tape through properly. So this unit was sent in for motor replacement, as most Wollensaks are, so let's go ahead and got a new motor in there, needless to say, and so let's pop in my usual Neil Sedaka and check her out. Hope I got all my stuff hooked up. There we go. Okay, switch tracks a bunch of times. Might not be able to see those meters, so we'll just go to our output level meters. Make sure we have both of our sides working there. Okay, hit our eject, and let's pop our speed tape. This is a 400 cycle test tone that I use, so we're going to move to my scope where I can measure the 400 cycle. The number we're looking for is between 395 and 405. Alright, I forgot to hook the scope back up, so that'll be just a moment so I can do that. Alrighty, there we go. And there's our speed, 399.7.4. So we are pretty much dead on the money. Can't get it much better than that. So that takes care of that. The unit's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to probably have some lunch. I'm Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and I'm your guy if you have a Wollensak with a bad motor, needless to say. My contact information is below. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you guys next time.